Hello, my people. Una good morning, una good evening, una good afternoon. Wherever una dey watch me for now for watch this video, I greet you now. So I wan come chook mouth for this single mother matter when e be say e just dey reign for some people now for Facebook. Now I say make I come chook mouth for the matter. So I wan because the thing itself e dey tire person. This single mother of 18, not be today e start o. E don tey when e start small for our great grandmother, great grandfather like that. They be single parents. Some of our great grandmother na single mother na they be. They raise their children alone. No help of man. They raise their children alone. Some of them they marry, they get pikin. Their husband run leave them. Or their husband go marry another wife. He pursue them with their children. They begin raise the children alone. Some women, husband marry many wives. He no fit take care of them. They will carry their bag, carry their children, say, oh yeah, make we go. They go begin, they raise their children alone. And some of those children today, they're very successful. Why it can't be saying that Europe, oh, na it come different? Not be only Europe for the single mother. Even for Africa, me and you they talk now. Single mother say they Africa. They. Why it can't be saying that this Europe, oh, na it come different? Some people will say single mother for Europe, they're not there responsible. So you want me say single mother for Europe and those one for Africa, they're different? And that one, people want call it talk now, say single mother for Africa and single mother for Europe, they're different. I been because of the money when they get. Now I make people they say they're different. I beg my people, I want make una see chook mouth for this matter. Make una reason am. You understand? So this single mother of 18, not be today now it start. It don't say when it starts. Even some of us when they make math for this our Facebook now, they say single mother, single mother. Some of us say no, only our mama na he raise us. Only our mama na he raise us. Tomorrow go reach when we want marry. We'll go dey find our papa they go. Or go dey find our papa family they go, we want collect bride price. So why it can't be say Europe can change to another thing? And some of those our women, when they say single mother, they even they talk about single mother. They go say, I be housewife, comfortable housewife. I marry. You marry. I want to talk about Europe in general. You, when you say you marry, my husband pay my bride price. Your husband pay your bride price. Now true. But the country where you dey, the government know that man as your husband. No, you don't know that man as your husband. You only know as your baby father. Baby father. Some of you now when they make man for this Facebook, so now baby father. Now una get for her. The country wanna dey. The man don't know. The country don't know if that man is your husband, if he pay your dowry or not. If he pay your dowry or not. They don't know. But una go wear agbada, wear sokoto, come they post for Facebook. They say I don't marry 1 year anniversary, 10 years anniversary, 11 years anniversary. When it be say even the country when the government don't know whether una marry, una they do friend to una die. They don't know say una marry. Just dowry when they go pay for una head for Africa. Now una go come they say I don't marry. I not to say dowry not good oh. It good, my people. It good. I know some people listen to this video now they'll say I'm just a single mother. And not be true. I not be single mother. I never even born self. You understand? So una when they say my husband. Some of you now, the country one dey, na Germany una dey, na Holland una dey, na Belgium una dey, na Italy una dey, the government no know say no na husband. but not be the single mother money, not una see they collect. Tell me, una say una get husband, but those one when you be say they no kukuma you get, they just contact government say I not get to. Tell me the difference. Tell me the difference. 80% of black women when it be say that they Europe, 80% they not get marriage certificate. They not get marriage certificate. But their husband go pay their bride price. It's okay. That one, not be saying a bad thing. Not be bad thing. Na good thing say your husband marry you, pay your bride price. But the country when you did, they know say na your husband. No, they don't know that one. So tell me, unana with the one way be say the government you all know say no man, maybe 4 children, 4 father. Tell me the difference. Unana any difference there? My people, make we dey talk truth now. Make we dey talk truth. Not be the same single mother money una dey collect. Una also na get man, una go Ahmed or go, una husband Ahmed or go dey another place. Una Ahmed or go dey another place. Una also na get husband. Very soon now, if government begin to enter Facebook now, they check people Facebook, they see, make we dey look at whether the true get husband. All of una go dey comot una husband picture for Facebook. Because there is single mother money self. Now una self dey collect. Una when so na get husband, now una collect the single mother money pass. Una na collect the single mother money pass. Alane chimuta. Una no get husband. Whereas man dey una when man dey house where they sleep with you for there 24 hours. Una go dey say una no get husband. One na consider one way be say he not get, he talk you and come and say I not get or he dey look for boyfriend. Una go say single mother. When it be so una when get man for us, una collect the single mother money pass. My people, e good. Make we dey tell ourselves truth. Oh, make we dey tell ourselves truth. Don't reach when it be say we will begin to tell ourselves truth. Some of una, see people say they know if one woman first talk and this thing that time that was 2 years ago when he say. He can't measure some people name for Facebook, so maybe they bring their marriage certificate comment. But everybody, they not feel present and comments. Some people say, I don't marry, they'll begin to show picture. Bring certificate, say you don't marry. Don't be church marriage. Don't be church. Bring certificate, say the country when you date. Say, they know you. Say, yes, una be marriage couple, husband and wife. They know una. Apart from, not be, I know they talk to those one where you go marry, come for house, so those one where you go bring wife, come, where you go bring husband, come. I know you talk about those ones, so. Those one will be say they're nobody for year, they go do friend, their husband will go pay their bride price. Now they collect the single mother money pass. But now they go the shout, single mother, they go come out for Facebook on the shout, single mother. Una no even see now 2 type of marriage that they see you. According to law, one, the first marriage na traditional marriage, that one those one are our forefather only be say give your parents pay the dowry, give your parents. Those one not they law. There another second marriage again according to law. All of una, some of una not even marry according to law. Una not marry according to law. The country one dead, they don't know una friend, baby father. Now they know una go come out for Facebook. Single mother. If una they talk out today, go just be like say this one. May a government begin to check people Facebook now. Say okay, when they check Facebook. You see, I say some of una when the phone say una go wear ring for hand, we don't marry. All of una now go begin to delete una husband picture come up for Facebook because una when you get man for us, now collect the single mother money, now collect and pass for this Europe day so. No, I collect the single mother money pass. So men and stuff they talk this single mother matter. Men they talk and small. Men they talk and small. No woman go just decide say I want to be single mother, I want to be single. It's not easy now. Men are checking now. I know say that they get money, but make una check on somebody when a be say you get 3 children. It is easy with a loan. Only one they take care of 3 children. Easy for her. Pikin go grow. Pikin you see the boys when they decide they do sports. The girls when they decide some of them when last but they do. Only the woman go feel they do everything. Who no like better thing? Who not like better thing for this life? Because sometimes when the people they say, I they look at me, I they feel for them. Really, I really they feel for them. Because it's not easy for you to take care of children alone. And people will still come out for Facebook, they criticize you. Say single mothers, they're not they responsible, not they responsible. It's not good, my people. It's not good. Some of us when they talk for this Facebook, so our mama na he raise us alone. Some of us, our papa na he raise us alone. But today uncle, we dey okay, we dey happy with our life. So men are not, because the thing when they talk and say how much did they collect for this single mother self? How much? How much did they collect? I don't mean not see any money where they collect. Oh, for me, oh, somebody when they work, so people they work, they put 2,000 euro for pocket. They put 2,500 euro for pocket. How much be this single mother money when it be say people they collect now? When it be say you no go hear words. Eh? Now they talk about single mother. Now they talk about people when they live social life when it be say they don't want to even work, lazy man, lazy wife. They are to go their house. They are to go there as they don't want what they want to collect social money. People know they talk about them when only single mother. Single mother. The men go say now because of the money that they drive us, they go just drive. I better shut up your mouth. You don't want to be man when you don't take care of your, when you don't face your responsibility. You they put out for speaking money. You forget say picking they wear pampers, they drink milk. If they wear clothes, they see summer clothes, they see spring clothes, they see winter clothes. If in Africa you there as a man, you know go fit take care of your pikin. Why you can't be say you can't dey Europe and you can't put for pikin money? Men go they ask their wife. They never pay pikin money. They never pay pikin money. They go they ask their wife. You are a lazy man. Go and work. Go work when you take care of your children. Go work. If in Africa you not go take care of your children. Go Africa, maybe you go see your mate. Son, they do like book every day till they take care of their family. Lazy man like you can't sit down for. Why the woman say no go kuma drive you come off for us, make kuma they collect all the money? Why you not go drive you lazy man sit down for us? Na kinder gets children money. Now you and your wife wanted they leave. Now you and your wife wanted they leave. I beg, make una see they talk to all those our men when be say they no want work. No be say they not get paper, they get paper, they no want work. Eh? They no want work, they want sit down for inside house. Follow woman sit down for inside house, they watch television. They chop puree, they eat paradis, they chop meat. You no want work. Month go hang, go they ask them, they never pay the children money. Shameless man, you be shameless man. You be shameless man. Before you know now, you go, one time I go don't drive and finish. Say, come on for here, you know what you do for this. And I they collect my single mother money. You go say, hey, you know saying don't drive me come out to make her for the collecting, make she for the collect single mother money. Before you know, you go see wrong, go on that woman. You go wrong, go meet another woman. That one want be say, that one maybe the cook they find husband. Maybe that one get many children. Say they find one they help and they carry children go school. You go stay for that one house. They say, now this one ain't good past now. One day, that one said, go say, Kukuma drive. Go say, this one not get the one way there for this house. Our men make una wake up, make una face una responsibility. If una face una responsibility as a man, you provide for house. That children money, for me, not to take care of the children. Not to take care of the children. Apart from those one when be say they want you children money, they build that all. But no man, that children money to take care of the children. Children they're very expensive for this Europe day. So more could they tell ourselves the truth now. Children they're very expensive. It's not easy to take care of pikin for year. Some people for Africa they know they buy pampers now napkin cloth they go wear them. They go wash them, hang them, some go dry them. But for year now pampers will they use. It's not easy. The lowest pampers for supermarket na €5, na €5 plus. For those people when they live for Europe. And €5 plus the lowest pampers. How many they inside? You know the past 30 when you go there inside. Picking when they shit when they piece well. That 30 itself maybe in 1 week now you go even carry them. before you come buy clothes for your pikin, before you come buy milk for your pikin. And the maid go dey shout say, you don't drive us comot for house, make for the collect single mother money. Hello, make una go work. Some people when be say they did this euro, they don't get paper. Na normal salon paper when they give them. That's what people take they work. Now they take they work. Now only black people that they collect this single mother money. When be say na so black, nah the thing single mother. Now let them they collect. Make we tell ourselves the truth now. All those fake people they see they collect also. They don't they hear for outside. You see they are made they work. You see all those fake Oyibo Turkish people, you see their husband, they work. Even they not they self not they work, they stay for how they take care of their children. Their husband go do driving license for they go buy the nice car where they take children go school. Those the responsible ones. You know. Our men they don't get what they do for the women. They don't get what they do for the women. And the lazy women, they own make a just born, make a just born. Make a husband because even they themselves, they don't want to help themselves. They don't want to help themselves. Single mother, he don't reach me understand or make una dey help una self. I know if you collect this single mother money till una go una die now. Make una think am. You born one pikin for man, you see and say you get as it be. Throw away and look for better man wey go fit take care of you. Put your pikin for school, go work, do something for yourself. So that me our men stop to they say, and because of money, now you drive me come off for house. Not be only we they collect them now, my people. Make una check and make una balance them, my people. Now only we want to collect this single mother money. Not be only we now. Other tribe they collect them. Other countries they collect them. They peaceful. They peaceful. You go see for those fake Oyibo Polish people. You go see men, woman, you see that they walk. Man and woman go they walk. Husband go buy expensive car, you go buy give your wife. Our black people, they don't get the one where they do. They don't get the one that they do for their wife. And so they shout. Hey, don't charge the children money finish. You don't use and take buy Brazilian hair finish. Don't use and take buy clothes finish. When you suppose as a man work and take care of your family, don't make they bring 2,000 euros, they come as you can follow your wife, they drag kindergarten. You know they shame. You're a shameless man, my friend. Go and work. They go say work. Lord, don't tell you say work not day. This country me day, so work in full and in Baku. Go newspaper weekend. Nobody when they want they for this Euro one day, so weekend they bring newspaper, they come as go there, get ready, write and put for the find work. You go call them or you write a application letter, go give them. For Dutch, they call it beverbon. Write and go give them. They will give you work. Some people say, I not sabi speak the language. Now lie. English, they speak English. If you sabi say English correct for your mouth, they will take you. Even though English not correct for your mouth, those Somali people, they don't sabi speak English. They never sabi speak the country where they say they don't ever sabi speak the language. But you see them, they see they work. They see they work. Some of all those foreigners, they don't sabi speak the language. Even English, they don't sabi speak. They see they work. They take care of their family. My people make una stop am. And not those women when they come out with their husband, single mother. Una wey be so una keep man for our government not know whether or marry or not marry. Una they collect and pass on they make man for social media. Say see a single mother. When be so no it worse pass. No it collect the money pass. Very soon our government go begin to enter on our Facebook. All of una go delete una husband picture for Facebook. Now go they remove ring from hand. They form marriage woman wey be say they collect single mother money pass. When they go see the one way be say you open for outside wey be say yes, na she be really single mother. She dey take off her children. Hey, they go they clap out the follow say see am boy, you know they show single mother. My people make una stop am. Make una stop am. Men make una work, make una take care of una women. Make una take care of una women. When you be say they not go be single mother now. Some people, some men go say, you not concern me. One day, not talk am o. If you treat this woman, the woman when you deal with now, if you treat her anyhow, think about and say, you still get sister. Eh? So one day, one man will still treat your sister anyhow, or you go say change your sister to single mother also. Eh? My people, I beg, make we change now. Make we upgrade for this single mother level wey we dey so now. Make we upgrade, make we do something for ourselves. Eh? Our women who are saying na correct single mother, how much dey the money? Me not see am. Because me, I don't ask as I don't tire. I don't see wetin dey there. Your pikin don grow 3 years, you put am for school, kindergarten, put am for kindergarten, go work, 4-hour job, people go respect you. The country when you dey there go respect you. They'll say, see this woman, e dey work. Go work, do something for yourself. If na school you want, small school you want, go your small school, do wetin you want. Just do something for yourself. You don't, people say school, if you go to school finish, you not go work the work. And those of una wey feel say una dey get certificate, una no dey work, una say, see my certificate, oh, see my certificate, I go school, you know dey work. Shame on you people. You go school, no use that take work. That one na school. That one not be school now. My people, that one not be school. You go school, you don't use that take work. You say, see my certificate, they say, I go school, yes, I'm a graduate, yes, I do something for myself, yes, see me, see my certificate. Shame on you, you dey work. You dey work, somebody they pay tax for you and they take care of you for the country. If they say you go school, see your certificate, go and work. Even though na 2 hours, 4 hours, people go respect you. People go respect you. The country when you did, they go respect you. Your pikin don't grow small. People will get 6 years pikin, they'll say, I get baby. Which kind of baby you get? Shut up your mouth. Oyibo, you will see some 3 months baby. They don't go put them for school. They don't go back to their work. Now we Africa go get 6 years, 7 years speaking. You go say, I got baby fine, now I work. You know one work, and you say you be graduate, you go school. You know one work. Go and work. You say I never want work. I went to school, look at my result, look at my certificate, you cannot be illiterate. You not be illiterate. But who they do cleaning job now better pass you. You, when you say you go school, you don't want you to take work, you are a foolish person. You be foolish person, how you be. You are a foolish person. You go school, you know why you take work. My people. Single mother, I beg our men, make una put our women for single, this single mother again now. Make una pity for this. Say, I get sister. If somebody do my sister like this, you go like her. You don't go like her now. You don't go like her. And woman will be say, you know, say you don't want to be single mother. You know, say protect yourself, help yourself. Now Europe now with this, so if you get paper, even when you don't get paper, say they say they help. Talk less also you get paper. Help yourself, my people. Help yourself. And that will be the story make I bring on this evening. So see you guys next time. More stories see they come. Also, when I see Chookmouth put, I will see do my short videos and upload them on my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sandra Baby TV. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Bye bye.